Today we will be opening the Force of Nature cleaning and showing you how to use it and seeing what's inside the box. We have a link and a code below that you can go ahead and buy the product and use the code for a discount, help it make it more affordable. Okay, so the first thing is we have this spray bottle. And I ordered the year supply, so we have all the ingredients. Here's what you use to make it. The plug and the instructions. So what I'm excited about is that it's kid-friendly, pet-friendly, and no toxic chemicals. The first thing you want to do is make sure that your power jack is covered by this rubber piece. Then you will fill it up with cool water up until the line. Okay. Then you will remove this rubber piece and plug it into the power outlet. You'll then take one of these activator capsules. Ooh, they're kind of hard. You'll squeeze the whole thing into your water and then wait 10 seconds. Then you wait 10 seconds. And then you will press the start button on the front of the electrolyzer one time. The blue lights will start. So the cleaner will be ready to use in about 9 minutes, it says. And the circle will be completely green. So here we go. You can see the light is blue and green, and it will be all green when it's finished. Or that the light is completely green. So I think that means our cleaner is ready. Ours took about 7 minutes. So what you'll do next is pour it into your cleaner bottle. So I'm gonna unplug mine. It smells like a bleach smell. So then you will put the rubber piece back over the plug. You'll rinse this with water. Once you've rinsed it and dried it, you'll go ahead and plug it back in. Put the spray lid on. And plug this back in, and then you'll push the light twice. So this is from the instruction manual. It says it's good for 2 weeks, and the lights will help keep track of the time. Every 2 days, one section will go dark, and when you have 2 days left, the one remaining green light will turn to yellow, and at the 14 days, the whole thing will be red. Time to make a new cleaner. So one thing I noticed, it said make sure you pre-clean the areas before you're gonna use the Force of Nature cleaner, and then you will spray until it's really wet. Allow it to remain wet for 10 minutes, and then wipe it with a clean cloth or towel and let it air dry. So that's a disinfectant for the 10 minutes, and then the sanitation is just let it sit for 1 minute. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you'll subscribe to Big Owl Repairs.